Hey y'all, this is Tammy. I'm filling in for Chris today because he's sick. We're going to be unboxing Death Pile box number 6. I'll be doing this for you guys because Chris is sick. You know, man sick's kind of different from women sick. Got a couple of announcements for you. Pretty soon Chris is going to be starting a Q&A live where you can join in, ask questions. He'll try to answer, chit chat, whatever you know comes up. Just eBay, reselling, sourcing, whatever it needs to be. He's also going to have a whatnot show, but I don't have dates and times for these yet. If you feel sorry for me for having to fill in and do this for Chris, because this is not my thing, this is his thing, please feel free to buy some pizza, send me some condolences, some sympathy, some support, whatever you need, so later on I can go get a mani and pedi. Alright guys, so here we are with our box. We're going to open it together and see what's in it because there's really no telling. This could be Death Pile merchandise. This could be something that was packed in this box and mislabeled Death Pile merchandise. We're about to find out. Oh, we got Death Pile. We lucked up. Alright, so the first thing we have is an interval programming water meter. It's a timer, so you can set the time for your grass to be watered, your plants, your flowers, whatever. I'm not sure where we picked this up at, but I'm sure we did not pay very much for it. So there's that. I'm pretty sure this is just an empty box. Empty boxes sell for certain items. I'm not sure if this is one of those or if it got put in here to keep, but we have an empty circle box. This looks like some safari animals. We have a tiger, a lion, and an antelope. I'm pretty sure these came from a store that we shop at in Clayton. A little thrift store that helps people. Looks like we probably paid $3 for the 3 of them, and we could probably get 10 to 12 each for them or lot them up. Okay, this is a VCR co-pilot. Easiest way to record and find your favorite shows. It looks like we paid $1 for it. Oh, and then looks like we have a light up ornament. Probably does not have batteries in it. I'm gonna say no, it doesn't. This cute little elf. Christmas, we're in 4th quarter, Christmas coming up, but to be honest, we sell Christmas year round. In my opinion, you can't go wrong with Christmas and Halloween stuff. Alright, we have a Christmas Santa. Looks like just a figurine that you would sit out, decoration. It has a $35 price tag on it. I know we didn't pay that for this, but he looks very well made, kind of high dollar-ish, so we're definitely going to be listing him very soon. Alright, these are some very sad looking shoes. Pierre Cardin. I'm pretty sure that's why we picked these up, with the thoughts that we would clean and refurbish the tops maybe a little bit. Can't promise you we're going to list these, but you never know what's in these boxes. Oh, here we go. Fila. We have some nice looking Filas in here. They need some cleaning on the bottom, but overall they're very nice looking shoes. The insides are very clean. If the bottoms weren't dirty, I would not have think these would even been worn, but who knows. we have, these are lightning chargers for Apple. We bought this whole container for just a couple of dollars. And it's so funny because every time we mess up a charger, we're like, where's the container of chargers we bought? And we end up having to buy a new one. But here you can see this thing is full. I'm not sure if we'll sell it as a unit or split them up, but you know, you can never have too many of these things. And this is a LED projection whirl of motion. These things sell really good for us. This one happens to be spiders, but they come with witches, ghosts, I want to say zombie, but I'm not really sure. You plug these in outside and it projects onto whatever you aim it at. They're really cool. We've always done really good with these. Here we have a Christmas Faltzcraft sugar and creamer set. Looks like it's got a $5 price tag on it. Pretty sure we didn't pay that. But these, this will sell really quickly for us. Oh, and another really well-made Santa figurine. Not sure if he will lock this one up with the other one or do them both separate. I think this one may be a different type, but if you can see the detail on the face, the detail on this one is just gorgeous. It's really pretty. All right, Santa's favorite cookies. Not sure. It just looks like Publications International, nothing name brand, but the book looks brand new, full of Christmas cookie recipes. Oh, a bag of cassette tapes. It looks like it has Sony VHS tapes in it. We've got Dirty Dancing, Miami Vice, Willie Nelson. There's just a good mix. There's another audio cassette. Let's see, Randy Travis, Keith Whitley. Just there's probably 80s greatest rock. There's probably 50 to 60 cassettes in here. Sometimes these sit for a while when they're listed, but all in all, we sell a good many of those. Another Halloween, just a hanging decoration, plastic skeleton. We honestly probably got this free in something because this is not like something we would pick up. But I guarantee that it'll be gone within the next 30 days. This looks like a I'm not going to say quilted, but it's fleece, a Christmas stocking. It doesn't really have any marks in it, but it doesn't look handmade either. But it has a $2 price tag on it, but I know we didn't pay that. We have, this is actually a Christmas stocking, but the cool thing about this, and y'all, we forgot we had all this stuff, honestly, or it would already be listed. This is a lot of Christmas and Halloween. This has a chalkboard on the front. You could write the child's name or whoever's name, or so many days till Christmas. And it's 3D. It's really thick. Very, very well made. No, thought maybe it made sound, but it doesn't. But that's just a really cute stocking. Alright, and our last item looks like a scarf. I'm looking for tags to see if it's silk, because it kind of feels like silk. It feels very well made, but I'm not seeing any tags on it, so I can't be sure. But we have two purple scarves. And that, y'all, is the end of our boxing. Hopefully next time Chris will be back with you. But like I said, there's something at the bottom that you're supposed to smash and squish and hit, buttons, likes, subscriptions. I'm not real sure what they are, but if you could take a look at those and give it a hug, whatever you're supposed to do with it, we would appreciate it. Thanks, you guys. Bye-bye.